I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play.
How it look now? We don't even know how it look, but I know it's gonna look good. I don't really hang with bitches.
We're gonna fight for each other.
Literally.
Why did you say the same thing?
Bathroom is filthy. Okay? I'm not using this shit. Yeah. It's filthy.
Gang shit, you know. Hey, hey. Why your force was, cause that's how I'm feeling, y'all. I'm from Chirac, what they be killing, y'all. Gang shit, you know. Hey, hey. Hey, the beat go off? Hey, hey, I up it, then my heat go off. Bang. I heard he do that sneaky talk. Hey, I heard he was a sneaky dog. I up this fucking fork, then I sneak it dog. Me, I take naps, see you a sleeping dog. Catch your ass in the back, shoot up your fifi dog. 2, 2, 3, set your neck. Leaving dog. Nigga don't even sneeze, I get the squeezing dog. My little bitch a bet, she said she need a dog. She know I get the checks and I don't speak it all. Some bitches bully me and just to be for y'all. I'm in the kitchen cooking just to be. Hey, I ain't got no of them shits, I'm still not seeing y'all. Little bitch, I'm blue, I don't wanna be with y'all. Why Air Force Ones, cause that's how I'm feeling, y'all. I'm from Chirac, where they be killing y'all.
Gang shit, you know.
Hey, hey. Hey, the beat go off? Hey, hey, I up it, then my heat go off. Bang. I heard he do that sneaky talk. Hey, I heard he was a sneaky dog. I up this fucking fork, then I sneak it dog. Me, I take naps, see you a sleeping dog. Catch your ass in the back, shoot up your fifi dog. 2, 2, 3, set your neck. Leaving dog. Nigga don't even sneeze, I get the squeezing dog. My little bitch a bet, she said she need a dog. She know I get the checks and I don't speak it all. Some bitches bully me and just to be for y'all. I'm in the kitchen cooking just to be. Hey, I ain't got no of them shits, I'm still not seeing y'all. Little bitch, I'm blue, I don't wanna be with y'all. Why Air Force Ones, cause that's how I'm feeling, y'all. I'm from Chirac, where they be killing y'all.
Gang shit, you know.
Hey, hey. Hey, hey, I up it, then my heat go off. Bang. I heard he do that sneaky talk. Hey, I heard he was a sneaky dog. I up this fucking fork, then I sneak it dog. Me, I take naps, see you a sleeping dog. Catch your ass in the back, shoot up your fifi dog. 2, 2, 3, set your neck. Leaving dog. Nigga don't even sneeze, I get the squeezing dog. My little bitch a bet, she said she need a dog. She know I get the checks and I don't speak it all. Some bitches bully me and just to be for y'all. I'm in the kitchen cooking just to be. Hey, I ain't got no of them shits, I'm still not seeing y'all. Little bitch, I'm blue, I don't wanna be with y'all. Why Air Force Ones, cause that's how I'm feeling, y'all. I'm from Chirac, where they be killing y'all.
Gang shit, you know.
Hey,
So good morning. I'm here editing this vlog that you're watching now. I am literally lost for words. what's on my agenda today? I really want to go to Ulta and grab this Makeup Revolution bronzer. It's supposed to be a dupe to the Queen Latifah Ebony bronzer. If you know about Queen Latifah Ebony bronze, then you a real makeup OG. I want to start getting back into doing my makeup and doing like get ready with me videos, like doing my makeup, you know, because that's always been my thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go to Ulta for sure. I might stop by and see my mom and my siblings and see what's up with that. And I have to go to work tonight, unfortunately. Yeah. So that's pretty much what's on the agenda today. If I do, like, I am gonna put myself together a little bit, you know, lotion the toes, step outside. But I'm gonna put on some really simple, probably some pants, some high-waisted pants, and like a tee and some sandals, because it's hot as a bitch in Fayetteville, North Carolina. As usual. For like, people say Texas is hot, and I'd be like, dang, Fayetteville be hot. So imagine what Texas be. Texas be death, hell. I don't want to experience that. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. If I have anything else interesting, you know, going on today, I'll be sure to record and, you know, insert into the vlog.
I'm trying to push up, trying to have your own berries. I want to spend time, but I don't find the time to. I'm trying to hide you where nobody can find you. Pull up to